Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Apollo IO, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find leads or prospects in Apollo IO based on job title? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find leads and prospects in Apollo IO with job title as a filter? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe B2B outreach, you know that there's specific job titles that you need to get in touch with to form a partnership with that company. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Apollo IO dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Apollo IO, and this is the home screen. Now here in the home screen, if you want to search for leads or prospects based on job title, what you're going to do is here on the left, click on prospect. Okay, once you do that, it's going to let you know they have about 209 million records right now. And to sort this out by job title, scroll down until you see this line right here, job titles. Okay, next what you want to do is go ahead and just search for the job title. You can go ahead and type it in as well. So if you did CEO, it's going to pop up right here, or you can choose CEO and founder, CEO and co-founder. But if you don't see it on the list, you can go ahead and type it. Let's see what it comes back with if I type in influencer. So I'll click influencer. Okay, it's automatically starting to process. And you can also uncheck this box if you want to include people with similar titles, leave it checked. So if you put in co-founder or founder, it's probably going to pull up CEO as well. Okay, now I pulled up the results based on job title, and wow, I'm surprised it actually pulled up 29,000, well, close to 29,000 prospects with the title of influencer. So let's see who these people are. So this company right here, it looks like this is an influencer for Instagram, digital, Meta. So that's interesting. These are some large companies and they have somebody with the title of influencer. So you can see there's a lot of pages to go through. So you can just skip over to the next page by clicking right here. And let's go to page 6. Okay, so here is the extended list right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to look for prospects and leads in Apollo IO using job title as a search, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.